So here is the control board for this thing. This thing is not working. What happened is it was plugged in to the wall. It's supposed to be 120 volts and the wall was wired to 240 volts. So now it's not feeding the wires, not working. So I don't know if that got burned or what happened to the board. It does turn on fan, but there's no response here on the button. Or I trace the AC voltage to the transformer, and I can see there is 120 volts on the input of this transformer right there on pin 1 and 4, but there's no output. The pins 5 and 8, there's no voltage coming out of it. Now I don't know if it's actually the transformer that is open, and that's what I'm gonna find out. I'm just gonna unsolder, plug it back in, and try to test the voltage with anything hooked up to the transformer. That way isolate the problem to this component or something else on the board. All right, as you can see, it's unsoldered, and I'm gonna have to plug it back in and see if I can test it this way. All right, let me turn that off, get out of the way. You know, I'm gonna just unsolder the whole thing. Okay, so I'm going to try to test 0 volts. Very well, so what I had to do here, I was searching for a transformer. This one online, I just couldn't find it. So to be able to test this thing, see if the transformer is a problem, I'm gonna just substitute that little transformer with another one. This is for an AC unit. I'm just gonna have to solder the terminals here, the wires, instead of the PCB mount transformer. This will be a panel mount transformer. It should do the same thing. All right, so just to wrap it up, what I had to do here, the transformer wasn't working. It's what fried because of the outlet voltage being so high, and I couldn't find this transformer, which is the original one. I said, well, maybe I can use a transformer from this air conditioning unit that I was like scavenging last week or 2 weeks ago. Instead of mounting the transformer on the PCB, I just use the same wires to be able to mount this on the side there. I'm gonna have to find a spot, and that should be doing the same thing. And is it like welding? Yeah. It's not spooling just yet, but it's now I got power to the thing. All right, let me see. Oh, okay. There you go. All right, let me do something here. All right, so I got power. It's working. Well, so I was able to mount this transformer right there on the panel of the Vision with two self-tapping screws there, and should be okay. So let me put everything back, all the covers together. Okay, so just to wrap it up, I'm going to plug it in. Of course, I don't have any gas. This is just solid wire. It doesn't have any flux. So the gas bottle is in the shop. So I cannot weld properly, but I can see that it's welding.